let's run through some of the tasks that VAs do. Let you just go, and then I'll interject.
So there, you can have a VA do sourcing for you. And you can have a VA take care of your Amazon account in general, like do account management and stuff and all that. Just with account management alone, there's a lot of things that your VA or a VA can do for you.
Yeah.
There's a lot of fast tasks in there that you can pass on to your VA.
What are some of the things that you're doing for your client that's in Legends? I know you're doing a lot of back-end account management stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot. Just pricing errors or managing the prices, taking care of stranded inventories, tracking shipments, making sure that they're there, and if there are any discrepancies and all that. And then responding to customer messages. Taking care of there will be like if there are like policy or product complaints. There were also times that I would take care of those.
Nice.
So just with account management alone, there's a lot. There's a lot that the VA can
do. You handle IP
complaints?
Do you handle IP complaints for her?
I haven't handled IP complaints, but there were like they have templates. So that you can use to respond to IP complaints.
Nice.
So and then you can do Google as well, or you can Google them up.
Yeah.
I'm sure you can find out somewhere.
Sure.
So and then there were also like some things that I didn't know at first that I just Googled them up and searched for, or look through YouTube that I ended up learning how to do. So
nice.
there's a ton of things that just for account management alone.
Totally.
There's a lot.
Yes, you got account management. We also help people with getting money back from Amazon, reimbursements. Obviously, you said product sourcing. That's the biggest one that we do. So online arbitrage sourcing, we actually have added a new service for wholesale sourcing. So if you want a VA that can find wholesale accounts for you, reach out to them for you, get those accounts. And once you have the accounts, search through those product catalogs to find profitable products. We got VAs that'll do clothing and shoe sourcing for you. So is that kind of the main things for Amazon, right?
For Amazon, yep.